Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with the 6 most popular styles of the season in women fashion. Before we proceed, let me introduce myself, Maitri, a stylish and a designer by profession. So if you are a fashion lover and want to follow the current fashion trends, do not forget to click the subscribe button down. So without wasting time, let's move ahead and discuss the first trend of the season, which is floral prints. When we say floral, we relate it directly with flowers, spring, its beauty, and feminine side of nature. Here we can see a floral print jumpsuit in a lovely shade of pink. But you can go with any pastel shades or a brighter shades available in market, because pastel shades and brighter shades are also trend of the season. Even satin fabrics are very much in, so you can try floral prints on satin fabric and it rocks too. It works wonders with all type of clothing, from jumpsuits to dresses to tops to bottom. So definitely give it a try. So let's go on the next trend of the season, which is statement sleeve. By statement sleeve I mean nice detailed sleeves with little extra volume and style. Not the basic sleeves which we wear every day, something with more ruffles and more details. Here we can see one shoulder printed top with a lovely full sleeve, which is a statement sleeve. You can coordinate such kind of tops with your denims, and if you're not comfortable showing your waistline, definitely you can go with a high rise denims. The best part of one shoulder dress or top is that it suits all body type. Next is this statement sleeve, which is an off-white color and it's a body suit. It really goes well with denim, but sometimes people do hesitate wearing a denim on a bodysuit. But give it a try, it really takes your confidence level to the next level. And you can see the kind of sleeve and the volume it has, the style it has, is very trendy and very fashionable. Here is the next example of statement sleeve, which is in bright green color and is a bodysuit. Bodysuit best part is when worn with denims or skirts, it gives a defined waistline. So definitely give it a try. So I think by now you all must have understood what exactly statement sleeve is. And voluminous sleeves are across catwalk and high streets, and there is no sign of this trend deflating. So why to delay and make it a part of your wardrobe? So go and buy it right now. Without delaying, let's go on our next trend, which is about monochrome. It is well said, when in doubt, choose a black and white, as there's no pairing as classic as white tops and a black pants. Definitely my favorite too. So you can also have in your wardrobe and can try different mix and match with this. You can try a layer of white shirt under a black mini dress or a black pant or a skirt. This combination always rocks and always looks good. Now the next trend which we are talking about is about crochet. Whether it is a top or a crop top, cardigan or a bottom wear, it looks beautiful and have lovely detailing. It is all over on runways and on streets, so you cannot mess it up no matter what. So if you are a crochet lover, definitely you should try all these lovely shades of crochet tops and other outfits too. Now the next trend which I'm talking about is about yellow bags. Yellow bags, yes, yellow bags are a big hit this season. So for spicing up our monochrome outfits, yellow bags are a best thing. So definitely go for this color, and you can choose small clutch or a tote or a structured bag or a sleek bag as per your choice and your daily needs. So I will say enhance your style by adding this timeless trend of yellow bags with chunky chain belts. So last trend which I'm talking here today is about blue accessories. Yes, blue accessories. The different type of blue accessories, and the beauty behind this trend is the one which I like, the most important thing, the variety of options which you get in this category. From handbags to footwears to flats to belts to hats, you get a lot of option, and this is very much in trend. And this looks best with black and gray outfits. So coordinate with such kind of outfits, mix and match these accessories with your outfits, and discover a complete new way and rock your style and outfits and look different. Now we are done with all the 6 styles, the most popular styles rocking the current fashion trends from runways to high street fashion. The reference outfits in the video is from H&M and Zara. If you wish to buy them, any of the outfits, then follow the links in the description box below. And if you like my video, do not forget to click the subscribe button down. Do share this video, like this video, and give your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching me.